Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad collaboration not working issues in 2026. So if other users can't join your document, real-time edits are not syncing, or collaboration features have stopped working, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Real-time collaboration depends on a continuous connection for syncing changes between users. Next, refresh the document for all participants. Temporary synchronization issues can often be resolved by reloading the page. Now verify that everyone is using the correct collaboration link. An incorrect or outdated link can prevent users from accessing the shared document. Next, check sharing permissions and make sure collaborators have the appropriate access rights. Restricted permissions can block editing and participation. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with synchronization and collaboration features. Next, try opening the document in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is browser-related. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Privacy tools and script blockers can sometimes interrupt real-time collaboration services. Next, make sure all participants are using updated browsers for the best compatibility and performance. Now ask collaborators to leave and rejoin the document to establish a fresh connection. Finally, restart your browser and reopen the shared document to test whether collaboration is working normally again, and that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad collaboration not working issues. Now all participants should be able to edit and sync documents in real time without problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.